In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to entry digital bills or PDF bills in QuickBooks Online 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly how to bring a vendor bill from your computer into QuickBooks Online so the key fields are captured and the PDF stays attached for a clean audit trail. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks Online company. Once you're on the home page, look for the plus sign labeled New. This is your shortcut to creating transactions. Click New, and in the vendor section, choose Upload Bills. That opens the bill upload screen where we'll bring in the PDF. Now add your file. You can drag and drop the bill PDF from your desktop into the upload area, or click Browse to pick it from a folder. Use a clear, readable PDF for best results. If the bill has multiple pages, that's fine as long as they belong to the same bill. Avoid scans that are cut off or blurry because that can impact what gets recognized. After the file is in, QuickBooks will scan it and autofill the essentials. You'll typically see the vendor name, the bill date, the due date, and the total amount appear on the bill form. This is powered by text recognition, so treat it as a helpful head start rather than a final answer. Take a moment to carefully review each field. Confirm the vendor is correct, the bill date reflects the actual invoice date, and the due date matches the payment terms on the document. Double check the amount, including tax if it applies, and look for a bill number on the PDF to keep your records tidy and avoid duplicates. If you notice any mismatched date formats or an amount that looks off, correct it here before saving. Next, choose how to record the expense. If it's a general cost like utilities, software, or office supplies, select the appropriate expense category from your chart of accounts. If you track purchases as products or services, switch to items and select the right ones so quantities, rates, and inventory flows remain accurate. Consistent categorization helps your reports stay meaningful and makes month-end close smoother. When everything looks good, click Save.